If you're a dedicated cord cutter or someone who lives in a rural area without access to a steady cable connection, and you like watching network TV, you need an over-the-air connection. But unfortunately, if you're trying to watch some of your favorite shows later, you're a little bit out of luck, or at least you have been. Amazon has created this magic black box called the Fire TV Recast, and it is a DVR for over-the-air television that streams your favorite shows anywhere in your house. Here's how it works and why we think it's pretty cool. So the Fire TV Recast comes in 75-hour, 500 gigabyte format or 1 terabyte, 150-hour format, which allows you to save a lot of TV. In order to use it though, you will need a couple of accessories. First, you'll need any Fire TV stick or a Fire TV Cube or really any video-enabled Fire TV device. And second, you'll need a nice over-the-air antenna to grab the signal that is coming in to the Fire TV Recast. So setting up the Fire TV Recast is actually very, very easy. All you have to do is plug it into your network via an Ethernet cable, plug in the power, and plug in your antenna, and it will immediately be on your network for any Fire TV device to see. So once you get it set up with your Fire TV, all you have to do is turn on your TV, and then just scroll over to the DVR section, and your live TV shows up there. So if I wanted to watch, say, the Today Show, all I gotta do is click on there, and it will start streaming to the TV. So once you find the live station that you want to watch, if you want to record it, you simply press the menu button and then go down to record. And it'll ask you whether you want it to be this episode or the full series. And we're recording. So to play your recordings, you just go down to your recording, select it, and press play. So the Fire TV Recast, it's not for everyone. If you have access to fast internet and you want to just watch your shows on demand by streaming them online, that's a great way to also be a cord cutter. But if you like major network shows or you live somewhere rural, this could really be a saving grace that allows you to watch your favorite shows anytime you want, anywhere in your house.